Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out to Natty Hayes. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video and I just want to say thank you for all of your support. So we're going to jump right in today. I'm going to go in with the E-Nail Couture 123 Go nails, and these are in the style oval. All I'm doing here is sizing them out to make sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. These are soft gel full nail covers which work best with Polygel. Alright, so for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the MAKARRT Natural Pink 008 shade. This is honestly one of my favorites. It's a classic. I'm going to go in now with some alcohol as my slip solution today. And I am going to put on my UV radiation protection gloves before we get started. So using full soft gel nail covers are super easy. All you do is take a small amount of polygel, put it in your full nail cover, and then you just tap it in. It's literally that easy. I love this method because if you have problems shaping, this method is going to be perfect for you. The only thing I want to mention is that near the cuticle area, you want to make sure that that area is thinner than the rest of the nails. But as you can see here, I'm just patting it in so it fully covers the nail. And I'm going to make sure that the polygel is covering the full nail cover sidewall to sidewall. If you look at it straight down, it looks like that it's fully covered, but you always want to make sure that the sides are covered too. And when you flip it over, make sure that there are no bubbles on the top. After you apply it to the finger, all I'm going to do is swipe around the cuticles area just to make sure that there is no polygel that's squeezed out. And if there is, you just want to make sure that you clean that up beforehand. And I'm also going to go underneath of the nail and make sure that that area underneath is flat as well. So as you can see here, I'm going in and I'm going to do another full nail cover and put that on, and then I'm going to cure 2 at a time. So I like doing multiple nails at once before because it eliminates the amount of time that your hand is sitting in that lamp. So like I said, this process is super easy. I'm gonna sit back and let you guys watch me work, and then we'll get into the fun part. I'm so excited to show you guys this nail hack that's been going viral. So now I'm gonna go in with some lint-free wipes and some alcohol, and I'm gonna wipe my nails down really fast before I begin filing and shaping. You want to make sure that you do this beforehand because polygel can leave a sticky residue. So I'm going to squeeze the sides of my nails just to make sure I'm getting all the polygel off so I can see it and get that off with my nail file. And like I said, full nail covers really do all the work for you. I love using them because I'm not great at shaping, like at all. So if you're not good at shaping, these are perfect for you. So there's not too much filing, honestly, when you use full nail covers. So I'm going to go in with a white polish. These two are my favorite, either MAKARRT or Beetles. Either one, I have a discount code for both down below. But here's the fun part. I know you guys have seen how this hack has been going viral all over Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. So I had to purchase and I had to try it out. I ordered this 3 set of stamps from Amazon, and I will definitely have it linked down below. It was super cheap too, probably like $5 or less. But it comes with 3. This one is double-ended, and this is the one that we're going to be using in today's video. But you could use either or. And all I'm going to do is go in with some white polish. This part, I would say, the less the better. As you can see, I did a lot of strokes, and you don't need as much. But the less the better. And here's the key. When you're doing this method, you want to make sure that you're pushing at an angle and not straight into it. So as you can see, I'm pushing my nail in, but I'm going at an angle and I'm not going straight into it. So I really love this method because you can make your nail French tip short if you want it short. You can make it longer if you want it longer. The choice is yours. It definitely works, guys. Like, if you have troubles doing French, get this. You have to. Like, look at that. Perfection. It's literally perfect. And if you like a deeper smile, like you like your lines deeper, then you can easily go in with a nail art brush and just add some lines and you're good to go. I did that with some of mine, but this method is like, this hack is everything. I love it. I'm gonna do this with all my nails. So I tried it out on some oval shaped nails today. I'm gonna try it out on different shaped nails, shorter nails, square, you know, the whole 9. But I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. You see how I did this nail shorter? Like, you can do them shorter, you can do them longer. The choice is yours. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend purchasing some of these stamps and giving it a go. So currently, when I did my nails, I did them on the shorter side, and I went back in after I finished and made them a little bit longer, which caused the gel polish to be a little bit thicker. So like I said, the less the better, because you don't want your polish to be too thick. But yeah, it's super easy, guys. Like, it doesn't get easier than this. It really doesn't. Alright, so here's what they're looking like. Like I said, I did them a little shorter here. I did go in and make them a little bit longer. But I'm going to use the Beetles top coat since I used the Beetles polish today. Oh, just look at that thumb, y'all. Like, this hack works. I'm going to link it down below. Guys, if you love French, you got to get them. It's just going to make your life so much easier. Literally, you could do French tips within 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. It's too easy. I really don't know who the creator was of this hack. Whoever created it, kudos to you. There's just so many viral videos of it everywhere now, but I know you guys have seen this all over, like your Instagram explore page and TikTok page, so I had to give it a try. I'm gonna go in now with some cuticle oil to finish off my nails, and we're done. And as you can see, I did make the French tips a little bit longer. I prefer a thicker French tip, but like I said, if you want them thicker, if you want them shorter, the choice is yours. The world is yours. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.